G22's live performance Filipina Queen. I've just been so very busy and so finally I get to watch them again. Let's go and check it out together. Ooh, live performance. Parang gold ang background nila. Or yellow. What do you think? Wow. Gold ang dress nila.
Para silang style Cleopatra.
Yeah.
Parang Egyptian.
Wow, rap. AJ nagra-rap.
Di pa siya nagra-rap.
Parang ibig
song
sabihin parang song rap siya.
Oo, may pahangin, no? Tatlo na lang sila, no?
Si Josh. Yeah, Josh naman. Althea. AJ, one of those, meron siyang low voices, Si AJ yun. Ayan naman si Althea din, meron din siyang low voice na gusto ko din naman. Chorus naman si Josh.
Puro sila pahangin. I like that.
Orange pa rin nung buhok ni Wow. I also love how their outfits were coordinated, no?
Oo.
Each member
Gold.
had their own unique style.
Baba ng boses niya.
Yes.
Ang bilis ng rap.
Oh wow, ngayon pa lang siya talaga nag-rap.
Look at yung biceps. May korte.
Like, as in live ba yan? O with siya kaya?
Live yan.
As in live
Hindi ko
siya?
live. Wow! Backless. I like their outfit.
Hey guys, I'm quiet in the video because I'm really focused on watching. Don't worry, I share my final thoughts at the end, so stay tuned. Very
I like
focused tayo. Very focused. Mamaya bigay natin yung final thoughts nating dalawa.
Isang mic nag-agawa. Ikutan sila. I like the red color. Wow. Blue. Si Alfea, ano kulay?
Orange hair, gold dress.
Mga vocalista sila. Taas ng boses.
Yeah. AJ, oh. Ayan, that part. Hey, AJ, gave me chills. Her vocals here were so smooth na para my emotion. It felt like the coming from the storm. Ayan. So,
Wow.
na tayo? So, let's share our thoughts about the song. I'll go first, or
Sige.
you?
Ikaw na muna. You first.
Okay. Nung moment the intro started, it was like, okay, this is it. This is gonna be powerful. The beat alone already gave up a strong, confident queen energy. Yeah. You can feel the attitude right away in. Even before the girls started singing, it's giving runway. It's giving Filipino pride. I was hooked, really. I was hooked.
Oo.
I like it.
Me too.
What can you say?
Yung vocals. Doon ako nag-focus sa vocals. Talagang yung vocals nila. Sobrang strong. Pinagsama-sama silang tatlo. Talagang sobrang strong. Yung blending nila, diba? Tapos yung rap part ni AJ. Sobrang smooth. Low voice. Pati si Alfea. Yung boses ni Alfea yun, Nick. Wala siyang kaboses. What do you think?
Yeah, okay. May karagdagan pa ako. No, vocally naman, each member really shine. Just brought the elegant tone. AJ gave us poise and strength. And Althea, her voice has so much fire and attitude. I love how they all brought something different when they came together. Flawless, hindi lang basta kanta yun, di ba? Yung binibigay nila. May character, may attitude, may queen energy. Kaya tama-tama yung title nung song na to, Filipina Queen. Nakaka-inspire ang song na ito.
Oo. Bigyan mo sila ng rate.
I-rate ko sila, siyempre, bibigay ko ng 10 kasi base naman dun sa reaction ko dito sa kanta ng G22 na Filipina Queen, ayan, yung comeback ba it? Kung hindi ako nagkakamali, comeback to.
Siguro kasi matagal na rin silang
Or
wala.
kailan ba to? Basta ayan, June 14, 2025 siya na-upload, no? Filipina Queen, bibigay natin ng rate ay 10. 10 out of 10 siya.